Hello my dear students, welcome back to your favorite channel NEET World. This is Vasavi Ma'am, your biology educator. Yes, hope you all are doing great and enjoying your summer vacations, right? Yes. So now in this today's particular session, we are going to discuss the second chapter of your 7th class CBSE biology, that is nutrition in animals, my dear students. Yes. So the first chapter of your 7th CBSE biology is nutrition in plants. So now we are going to step towards the another most interesting chapter, that is nutrition in animals, my dear students. So in this chapter we are also going to learn about the human digestive system, and we are going to see how different organisms are going to take the food. Okay, how different types of organisms are going to use their different types of organs to capture the food, and we are also going to see different types of nutrition. Okay, different types of nutrition in the organism. So now just quickly answer me, what is nutrition? Yes. So what is nutrition, my dear students? Yes. So now, yes. So I will just show you one beautiful slide over here. Just observe what are all these organisms are performing the activities here, students. Okay. What are all these are doing here? Yes. So if you can see in this particular slide, we can see the cow, frog, and here, okay, the most interesting and cutest picture, Chota Bheem, as you all know. So what he is performing here, my dear students, he is eating the food, right? So now if you look into here the cow, isn't it? Yes. So the cow is taking the grass as a food, and next here the frog, okay, the frog is taking, okay, the frog is grasping, and the frog is capturing the insects as a source of food. Okay. So here different types of organisms are taking the food. Why they are going to take the food, my dear students? They are going to take the food for their growth, development, and repairing of the damaged tissues, right? So each and every organisms requires the food for their growth and development, and the food, okay, the food, what are these organisms? Okay, each and every organisms are going to take the food, and that particular food is going to contain the different types of nutrients, right? So all these nutrients are going to help for the growth and development of the organism. Yes, clear with these particular definition and clear with these slides, dear students? Yes. So here different types of organisms include the human beings are going to take the food. That food is going to contain different types of nutrients. Now we are also going to look into different types of nutrients and their functions. These all we are going to learn in this particular session. So stay tuned until the session gets end, my dear students. Yes. So the nutrition is simply, okay, it is involved in just growth and development of the individual, and each and every organism requires the food. That food is going to contain the nutrients which will help in complete growth and development of the organism. And in this chapter we are also going to learn about the human digestive system also, my dear students. Yes. So this is one of the most easiest and interesting chapter. Yes. So now look into this particular table. It is extracted from your NCERT itself. It is easy to understand. Just listen whatever I am going to say, my dear students, and please note down, okay, and please note down whatever the chart is represented here, okay. Just be ready with your books and pens and note down this particular tabular form in your notes, students. Yes. So here are the list of nutrients, okay, their functions as well as their sources, students. Okay, this tabular form is going to indicate the different types of nutrients which is going to be involved along with their functions and the sources. Yes. So now we will see what are carbohydrates. Yes. So the food whatever we are going to take, okay, the food whatever we are going to eat, it is going to be contain many multiple number of nutrients. So what are nutrients actually? So the nutrients are different types like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughages, and water. Yes. So these all are the nutrients. Okay. Why the nutrients are actually important? Yes, those are listed here in the functions. We will discuss each and everything in detail, my dear students. Yes. Yes, next one, sources. Okay, what are the main sources that we are going to get these particular nutrients? Yes, so for example, if we see the carbohydrates, we can get the carbohydrates from the sources. Okay, carbohydrates are present in potato, cereals, rice, okay, wheat. Okay, in these all food sources we can find the carbohydrates. Yes, students? Yes, right. So now we will discuss about these particular nutrients along with their functions and the sources. Yes. So if you have any doubt, please drop in the comment section, my dear students. Yes. So now here are the nutrients. So first one is carbohydrates. Okay. So what is the main role of carbohydrates in our body? They are going to give energy to our body. Okay, to perform different types of activities. Okay, to perform all the activities in our daily life, carbohydrates are going to produce energy to our body. Yes. So where we can find these particular carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are present abundant in potatoes, yes, cereals. We can also find them in, yes, sugar also, my dear students. So these are the main sources of the carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates will help us to give energy to our body. Yes, next one, fats. Okay, so fats are also going to give energy to our body, but okay, due to heavy consumption, okay, due to the over consumption of the fats, it may also lead to the obesity. So always you need to take the nutrients in the required amount, okay, not below or not too high, students. You need to maintain the limit of the nutrients, right? Yes. So fats are also involved in giving energy to our body, but too much consumption of the fats may lead to the obesity. Yes. So where we can find the fats? Okay, what are the main sources of the fats? See, we can get the fats. Okay, fats are presented more in ghee, oil, butter, nuts, etc. Okay, so these are the food sources where the amount of fats is very rich. Yes. So next one is proteins. Okay, so now look into these particular functions of the proteins, my dear students. It is very important. Okay, they help in growth, repairing of the tissues, healing of small cuts and wounds. Yes. What does it mean? Yes, if there is any cut happened, or else if there is any injured, okay, if there is any injured takes place to your body, then okay, due to the presence of the nutrients, okay, due to the presence of the proteins, these proteins will act on this particular injured area to heal the wound. Yes. So the proteins are mainly involved in growth and repairing of the tissues. Okay, they will help in the growth and repairing of the tissues, as well as they will help in healing of small cuts and the wounds. So here simply the proteins are involved in growth and repairing of the entire body tissues, as well as they are involved in healing the small cuts and the wounds. Yes. So if you see the sources, okay, proteins are present abundantly in milk. Okay, if you take the milk, then you are going to get the more proteins. Yes. Next, we can also get the proteins by eating eggs, meat, pulses, fish, etc. So these all are the major sources of the proteins, right? Yes. Next one, vitamins. Okay. So what are the main function? What is the major function of the vitamins? We have different types of vitamins, okay, like vitamin A, D, E, K. Okay, the consumption of the vitamin A food sources. Okay, vitamin A we can find in the carrots, right? So when we are going to eat that particular food which is going to contain rich amount of the vitamin A, it is going to help our vision. Okay, it is going to improve our vision. And next, if we are going to take the vitamin D and vitamin C rich food sources, then we are going to get the nutrients. Okay, then we are going to get the metabolism, and then we are going to get a strong activity to our body. The consumption of the vitamin D and vitamin C will help to make the bones stronger, my dear students. So each and every vitamin is going to play a key role for the development of our body. Yes, right? Yes. So the main function of the vitamin C is it is going to help us to resist the diseases, and it is going to help, and it is going to increase the immunity. It is in the sense, students. So the consumption, okay, the presence of vitamins in our body, the vitamins are going to fight against the foreign macromolecules, okay, they are going to fight against the foreign microorganisms and they are going to increase our immune power, okay. Vitamins always plays a key role in improving our immunity, as well as they are going to fight against the diseases, they are going to fight against the foreign particles. And next, so what are the major sources, in which type of foods we can find the vitamins? We can find the vitamins in fruits, vegetables, eggs, fish, etc. Okay. So example, fruits, okay, the orange fruit is rich in vitamin C, right. So that is going to contain the citrus, which is going to help our body and it is going to boost our immune system. Yes students. And next one, minerals. What are minerals here? Minerals will help us to, yes, same, the minerals are also going to, different types of minerals are going to be present in our body, like calcium, iron, okay, many other things. So these minerals are also going to help us to fight against the disease causing microorganisms and they will boost our immune power. Yes. So these minerals we can find in milk, green leafy vegetables and fruits. Yes. So name, so students, please quickly answer me in the comment section. Yes. So which, name any one of the food source which is rich in iron. Yes, quickly answer me in the comment section. Yes. And next one, roughages. So what are roughages actually? They help the body to easily get rid of the undigested food. Yes. So students, the roughages, these are not going to be important to play the complete metabolism in our body, but they are helpful to keep all the digestive tract clean, okay. So just they are involved in cleansing action of the digestive tract. So once look into these statements students, they help the body to easily get rid of undigested food, okay. So whatever the undigested food particles are going to remain in our digestive tract and in our digestive system, all these are going to be cleansed, okay. All the digestive tract is going to be cleaned due to the consumption of the roughages, okay. So that is the consumption, the regular or else the consumption of the roughages at least weekly once, it is going to cleanse your complete digestive system, okay. They are not important for our body, but they are important for maintaining the cleansing action of the digestive system. Yes. So here if we see the sources, whole meal, cereals, vegetables and fruits, okay. So cereals, okay, the cereals are going to contain the roughages, okay. If you take the cereals, if you are going to consume the cereals or seeds or else any some other fruits, okay, like peas and everything, so then your body is going to clean each and everything from the digestive tract, okay. So it is going to protect your digestive tract from the undigested food. All the undigested food is going to be vanished away and it is going to help in cleansing action to maintain a proper digestive system, and it is also going to reduce the constipation also, my dear students. Yes. And next one, water, okay. What is the main role of the water in our body? See, they are going to maintain the balance of body fluids, okay. They will maintain the balance of the body fluids and they will help to remove the waste matter and they will help to transport the nutrients to the cells, etc. Okay. Water is going to play a key role, it is going to provide as a medium, okay. As a medium it is going to maintain the complete fluid balance in our body, and the water, due to the presence of water, all the nutrients are going to be transported to the cells. And next if we see the sources, yes. So drinking water is the primary source, and next we can extract it from due to the consumption of the juices, soaps, fruits like watermelon or else vegetables like cucumber with high water content, example watermelon, see here. So due to the consumption of these food sources which is rich in water content, they are going to help in maintaining the fluidity in our body, okay. They will balance the body fluids and they will transport the nutrients to the cells. Yes. So this is a complete information about what are nutrients, okay. So what are the main functions which are going to be performed by these particular nutrients, and these are the main sources, students. Yes. So, quickly I will just summarize here. Yes. So, the main nutrients here are carbohydrates, they will provide, yes, carbohydrates and fats will give energy to our body, and we can find the carbohydrates in potato, and fats we can find in ghee, oil, butter and nuts. Okay. Next, proteins. Okay. The main function of the proteins is to help, okay, to help the growth and development to our body, and they are also involved in repairing the tissues. And next, they are going to heal the small cuts and wounds also, my dear students. Yes. And the sources are milk, egg, okay, meat and pulses, fishes, etc. And next one is vitamins. Okay. The main role of vitamins is to fight against the disease causing organisms, and they are going to boost our immunity. Yes, we can find the vitamins in fruits, vegetables, eggs, fish, etc. Okay. Many other food sources are there. Whatever you are aware of it, just drop it in the comment section, my dear students. Yes. Next one, minerals and roughages. Okay. We can find minerals and roughages in green leafy vegetables. Okay. And next one, cereals, seeds, these all are the roughages which will help in cleansing action of your digestive tract. And next one, water. Okay. It is going to balance the fluid. Okay. It is going to maintain the balance. Okay. It is going to maintain the balance of the body fluids, as well as it is going to help to remove the waste matter. Okay. It is the unwanted, yes. So, the urine is also going to be excreted. Okay. The unwanted substances are going to be extracted from our body, okay, in the form of sweat and in the form of the urine. And next, it is also going to transport all the nutrients to the different types of cells. And next one, if we want to maintain the proper balance of the fluids in our body, then we have to take the rich water content vegetables and fruits, my dear students. Okay. Those are like watermelon, cucumber and different types of fruits. Okay. So, this is about the nutrition. Okay. This is just an introduction about the nutrition along with the main nutrients, its functions as well as the sources. In the next session, we are going to see different modes of nutrition, and we are also going to see one special type of nutrition that is called as Holozoic nutrition, and next we are also going to learn the steps involved in the Holozoic nutrition, students. So, stay tuned with the NEET World, like, share and subscribe.